Okay, as what we discussed now. Okay. For then system understand, oh, but already I am having 100 tires in my warehouse. So let us procure 400. But then system understand, oh no, already vendor is supplying 200 quantity, which is in GRN. Okay, if drug is not received yet to our grade, but already PO is created in last month. It is still pending and it will come. Then system say, okay, then 200 is coming more. Then we have to just consider for 200 quantity procurement. Okay. Now imagine your company, you have to do calculation at such a minute level. If you are producing, suppose in-house engine for the car, and you know that you require for 500 car, you require 500 engines. Now, out of that 500 engines, system will understand. Actually, I'm having 200 engine with me. You have to procure only 300 engine. Then you understand. Oh, out of that 300 engine, 400 there are some more engines which are as per the production order which are going to manufacture today itself. Okay, then you have to understand those which engine will come to your inventory and it should not be become excess. So system will care how much production order is going to produce in coming 2 to 3 days. Okay, so system will consider those also as a receipt element. So this is the way system is going to do at a very minute level calculation. Okay, and because of that there are very less chances that system will give you the wrong quantity. Okay, and the system will never give you the wrong quantity. It will always provide you the right quantity of material. So quantity calculation is not only one step that what is in BOM, okay, but there are a lot of factors. What is the available quantity? What is in PO, in transit PO? What are they available in your quality stock? Uh, okay, there are different types of stocks available. If something is transport order, okay, something is coming from another plant or something like that. Not many calculations are going to happen. So with the help of MRP, we can achieve right material, okay, right quantity. And next thing is the right time. Now, what is mean by right time? Can anybody tell me what is mean by right time? Any guess?
Like the time when we need materials, like
Perfect
lead
time when
times are.
suppose these 500 cars I am supposed to have on month end, okay? On 25th of the month, I would like to have this 500 car. So I must understand this car is going to be delivered on 25th of this month. Quantity is 500. So before that, my car should be ready. Okay. So somewhere on 24th, sorry, on 23rd, my car should be manufactured and it should be ready. One day I'm keeping for quality inspection or something like that. So system will understand 23rd is the date. Then system will go and do the backward calculation and say, okay, on 23rd, if I have to make the car, at what day engine should be ready? So precisely on 20th of the month, I must have the engine ready. Okay, I'm just taking example of engine. So if engine is going to be required on 20th, so it is what are the components required in engine? Like turbocharger, or you are having some flywheels, you are having some pistons, rings, and all. If those materials are available in stock, it's good. If those are not available in stock, at the what date they should be available. So if you are doing the assembly on 20th of the month for the engine, so before that, so we can take example like before 20th means at almost at 18th of May, sorry, 18th of month, you should be have it, or 17th of the month, you should have all the stock is available. Now, if you are asking that material should be available on 17th of the month, so before that, you should understand, okay, suppose you are bringing a turbocharger from your supplier, okay? Turbocharger you are bringing from your supplier, and your supplier is having lead time. Lead time is what? Whenever he send the material from his company, how much time it's going to take to receive you at your end. So you are manufacturing the product in suppose in Chennai, and the material is supplied from vendor from Hyderabad. So Chennai to Hyderabad, suppose it's 2 days distance from by road. Okay. So you must know that vendor should start sending material. Okay, 2 days before. If you are expecting it is to on 17th. So on 15th, material should be dispatched from supplier end. Okay, right? Getting my point? But if he have to supply the material, he should manufacture it at least, right? To get the manufacturing trigger, he required 2 days to manufacture the material or something like that. So before that means on 13th of month, okay, he should start the what do we say? Manufacturing or actual manufacturing of the turbocharger at your vendor or supplier end. But to start that trigger that 13 planning manufacturing, he should have strong order. Okay, he should have purchase order received from you. Okay, from your manufacturing company, like your car company should send the requirement. Okay, so he should receive the purchase order on or before 11th or 10th. Okay, 11th of the month. Okay, so once he have purchase order, then only he's going to, against that purchase order, he's going to start procuring his material, and then he will start manufacturing on 13th. And once they are ready, he will start dispatch on 15th. Once they are dispatched, within 2 days, it will reach to your company. Once it is available in your company, rest of the material available on 20th, you will be ready with the engine. And when the engine is available on 23rd, you will put that engine over your car. Okay, and the car and engine assembly is done, and your finished car is available. And then on 25th, you can start dispatch of the car. You understand? So system has to take care of the what is the car. For car, if you want to make on this, so what are the day engine should be created? Oh, for engine, what are the raw materials required? So those raw materials should be available before 17. Which are available, that is good. Those are not available, we have to send the procurement. For this particular material, what is the lead time? 2 days. So we should have send it material. The manufacturing should start on 13 at that vendor end. So to start that manufacturing, we should send him a purchase order that is has to be happen on this day before. So this is the way a very minute level calculation the system will do. For that, we have to give some master data. Okay, in your metal master MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 view. Okay, let me log in and show you. Okay, so if you go to MM03 and you take your PCB for this is your raw material, suppose. Okay, now if you go to your MRP2 view here, you can say planned delivery time. So planned delivery time is what? It is a time from when supplier is going to send his material. Okay, he load the material on his truck, and the truck is getting start from his company premises is left out, and the time it will take to reach to your company premises. That time is called as planned delivery time. So this time is available over here. Then we are having GR processing time. What I'm talking GR processing means, here I say that on 23rd my vehicle will be ready, car will be ready, but it will take 1 day inspection time or some movement and something like that. And on 25th I'm ready to dispatch it. Okay, so that is called a GR processing time. Now it is finished good, it is not finished good. Okay, so for finished good we are having in-house manufacturing time. Okay, so take your laptop B14. Okay, for your finished good, you will be have your in-house manufacturing time. It is 1 day. Okay, then there is schedule margin key. In this schedule margin key, different scheduling related parameters are updated. Okay, float before time, float after time. That we are going to learn in shop floor control part. Okay, but still there are a lot of things we are going to update in system, and based on that, this calculation of time is going to done. Okay, now you imagine a car is having more than, if I'm not wrong, 1.8 lakh. Okay, I'm just giving one example. Okay, than more than that component, which are procured, guys. Okay, which are procured because car assembly is done. Suppose Maruti Suzuki is doing the car manufacturing. So they are neither manufacturing a tire, they are neither manufacturing engine, they are neither manufacturing brake booster, they are neither manufacturing injector or CNG tank or anything. Neither any wiring harness. All the components required for car, most of the them, I expect engine and body or something. Okay, they are bringing everything from the different vendors, right? And those vendors are going to send all this material to them. And how this planning can be done? Can they manage the planning on Excel sheet? One bill of material is having 1,80,000 plus component. Can you imagine? Okay, one bomb. Your Excel sheet is having itself limit of 3 lakhs rows. You cannot go beyond that. Now imagine how the planning can be done. So planning and with these neat and details. So that is not available. That we cannot do in Excel sheet. So MRP is the one of the best software. which can give the solution, which will do all this calculation in the system, when PO is to be created, which vendor we need to select it. Now, I'm not talking only about the select one person. Here we have the requirement, then we have to divide the requirement. If I have three different vendors, so vendor A, vendor B, vendor C. So system will do the bifurcation. Okay, what is the quota given to them? Okay, so there are three vendors. Suppose you are going to bring a tire. So there is MRF is there. Okay, Bridgestone is there. Okay, and some other tire is
Apollo.
Fiat or Apollo, whatever it may be. Okay, so these are your tire manufacturers. So you are defined. MRF is our one of the best vendor. He's giving right quality product. So let us have this kind of distribution. Okay, so 20% to him and 20% to this. Okay, so what system is going to do? System know that this is your percentage of business given to them. This is called as quota. This arrangement is also available. See, if you go to Metal Master, this is what is your finished product. Okay, this is your raw material. Okay, you can see quota arrangement usage. Can you see over here? So here the quota arrangement usage is given. Okay, so whatever quotas you select, depend upon. So for MRP, see, if you select 3 number, then MRP will consider your quota arrangement. Okay, so people will maintain those data, and based on that, system will do the further calculation, and system itself send the details and create. Suppose you are required 1000 tires. Okay, so what the system will do? Simply give 600 quantity PO to MRF. Okay, 200 quantity PO to Bridgestone, and remaining 200 quantity to Fiat. Okay, so system is going to do this also. Can you imagine now? So right material at the right time with the right vendor. Okay, everything is going to happen with help of MRP. Are we clear, team? Are you getting one point? What is the MRP? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now